Hi, I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market alert for Tuesday, March 22nd. Andy Myers is off today. The buying mood on Wall Street seems to be tapering off after 3 days of gains that pushed the Dow Industrials above 12,000 for the first time since the earthquake in Japan. But Japanese stocks are still rebounding, jumping more than 4% overnight and lifting the other Asian markets. Investors are optimistic that the country's nuclear crisis may be coming under control. But concerns over the fighting in Libya seem to be putting a floor under oil prices. Right now, crude is hovering just below $103 a barrel. Analysts say that the U.S.-led airstrikes in Libya may lead to a prolonged military campaign and further disruptions of oil supplies. The Libyan output of more than 1 million barrels a day may take years to flow back to world markets, and prices could go much higher if supplies from another Middle East or North African exporter were disrupted on top of that. On the corporate front, we're keeping an eye on shares of Walgreen. The drugstore chain reported a 10% increase in quarterly profit, and sales rose about 9%. But investors seem disappointed in the results. Walgreen is set to open nearly 3% lower. One big gainer this morning is Dollar General. Net income at the discount chain more than doubled, topping expectations. Dollar General also forecast earnings for the full year that were above Wall Street estimates. That's sending the stock up more than 7% in the pre-market. Later today, we'll get quarterly results from software maker Adobe and semiconductor firm Jabil Circuit. And pay attention to shares of Yahoo. The benchmark company boosted its price target on the stock from $16 to $18 a share. Analyst actions may move a couple other stocks as well today. In the healthcare industry, Goldman Sachs upgraded insurer Humana from sell to neutral, and Jefferies recommended buying the Swiss pharmaceutical firm Novartis on weakness. Meanwhile, railroad giant CSX is set to open higher, following an upgrade from Barclays Capital. But Hormel Foods may move in the opposite direction today, after Davenport cut its rating on that stock from buy to neutral. That's the latest from Weiss Research. I'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.